Worst case is, I don't know, we flip over and we abandon the Rav4 here and we have to come back another day for it.
Oh my God, look at this guy. Doing it. Yes! I smell the clutch already. I smell the clutch. Crazy. That's a better line. That's a better line. That's a better line right there. Oh my God. This is insane. I can't believe he's made it this far. He did it! He did it! He really did it!
Give me a high five. Okay, are you ready to go?
Let's roll out.
We have zip ties.
All right, I gotta shut this thing off. So we're halfway in between Los Angeles and Las Vegas, and we're gonna enter the Mojave Desert, and we're gonna cross it all the way to basically the Nevada border close to Needles. And it's called Mojave Road or Mojave Trail, about 130 miles. And I guess there's a lot of stuff to see along the way, so people will stop and camp and check out all the sites. But I guess we're just gonna race through and maybe we'll stop somewhere and check some stuff out. But essentially, we have until 4:30 p.m. today when the sun sets before maybe it gets sketchy.
We have lights.
I think we got lights.
So if we used all those routes, then we would have had to cross that river just now back there.
I don't want to do the river crossing.
Yeah, let's be good.
Whoa. Is it deep? It's not that deep, right?
I don't know.
The problem right now is it's murky enough where you can't actually see how deep it is, right?
Well, just take your time, and if it gets kind of deep, then you can back up. It's not like you're gonna get stuck somewhere.
Yeah. We're gonna die.
No one's dying. Oh, he's going fast. Let's go. So I'm gonna make sure, I gotta look at where the air intake is. All right, so the air intake is right here in the bottom of the air box. All right, so what I've done is I've taken the air box and I've pried it open and I wedged it open with a rock, so the air intake will come in here, not the bottom. So if the water gets high, it won't hydrolock, suck in water and hydrolock the engine. Okay.
Go slow.
I don't know if we should go slow or go fast. I'm gonna put center diff lock on.
What's that?
This helps with traction.
Go, 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 go. bigger engine. Go through the water. Can I drive my RC car through this?
Oh, we gotta go, dude. We have over 100 miles to drive right now in the dirt.
This road's really smooth.
Yeah, it's sand. It's like beach sand. So at this point, we're getting on the Mojave Reserve, and you actually have to have a street legal vehicle. You can't have a side-by-side or whatever. So you have to actually, you know, have a license plated car and registered and everything. So we're good with ours, and we're gonna keep moving on.
Why is this a thing, I wonder?
It's a road.
Oh, this is a normal road.
So I'm ducking behind Larry's truck here while all Larry and our kids are playing with the RC cars. It was pretty fun the first section. So we went through a whole area that was like crisscrossing trails, and it was a little bit sandy, and then you'd start getting up some speed, but then you got to keep your eyes up because there might be some rocks. So you slow down for those. And then we hit this dry lake bed, and it looked like it had flooded recently, and but there's a trail through it. So we just followed the trail. And it was fun because it had good grip and you could start getting some speed, but you got to keep your eyes up because there's like washouts and stuff. So now we're in the area of Joshua Tree National Park area, and they have all these Joshua trees. We just saw like a whole caravan of motorcycle and a few other cool off-road vehicles, even with like trailers and stuff that must be out here, you know, camping, doing a couple day trip. The mailbox. This is the mailbox. So there's some art piece, or people are placing stuff here.
There's no Hot Wheels. What do you do if the door opens? You can't close it.
The back door?
Yeah.
If it opens, something broke. So hopefully it doesn't open. What's happening? Oh, is your back stuck? No, your diff is no, your diff's on it. So keep your left tire here and go like that. All right, well, Larry made it. Look at how big this is.
I know. You could hide in there. You don't have to, dude. I know that thing is, I mean, my thing is so easy. It's just crawls up by itself, basically.
All right, I'm actually gonna do this.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I'm gonna go here.
Okay.
It's gonna get a little weird. Whoa, whoa,
Oh, he did it, he did it. Yes. Oh.
Go that way.
That was so cool. You did it. I'll claim that one. That was really fun. Awesome. That was pretty cool, huh, Julie? The Rav4 special vehicle.
Really? That special? I promise
We have 50 more miles. It's like 3 more hours. It's gonna be dark for sure when we get through the other side.
I think we should finish it tomorrow. Go home tomorrow.
let's do first step. Let's get to the other out of the trail.
That's the most important thing right now.
Yeah, so let's focus on that. And once we get...
If we don't make it, we can't go to the hotel. We can't sleep. We need to sleep on the ground with our jackets. That's it. That's not going to be comfortable. Or we're going to sleep on top of our roofs on our car. It's not going to be good.
It's really cold out here at night.
Tree branches like scraping on that thing.
I'm trying to avoid all these rocks, but they're everywhere. We're getting pretty close to the end. We got that four-wheel drive little section here with a bunch of rocks that was pretty rough, but the Rav handled it pretty well. And Larry took off his mirror. He hit a tree earlier into one of the Joshua trees, and but he's taped it. So he's been able to fix his mirror, and on we go. All right, so it's 4:20 and we've gotten to the end of the Mojave Trail. There's probably like 10 more miles on this power line road, and then we're gonna get back to the highway. The cars all ran really well. Something's falling off.
No, probably a rock was stuck inside one of the suspension.
I think your exhaust came off.
I'm driving along and I'm like, what is this thunking I'm hearing? And so the exhaust fell off the Rav. So now we're outside of the road, it's dark, and we're gonna repair it. Broke though. So the hanger on the left side of the car broke off like the weld and the metal. And then the right side, I think that's been broken for a while, and then the right side, the rubber broke. So my plan is to take a belt that I have and wrap it around, and maybe combined with zip ties or something, I can figure out how to fix it.
I think you can do it.
All right, so the fix is I took the same tool bag that I carried on my different cars. This one I usually have in my Celica. I bring it in here as well. So this is the spare alternator belt from the Celica. I've wrapped it around the pipe and then the hanger, and then zip tied basically it all together. And so now I think we're good.
Honestly, if that's all that broke, we got away with a lot.
Like I said, let's get home and make sure.
All right.
Before we call it a success.
All right.
Okay.